Hello kids! Today we will meet the letter D. D. The sound of D is like a little drum beat. Dum dum dum. Sound of D like in dog. How to write the letter D? First we will write uppercase D. Draw a straight line down, start at the top and make a big curve to the bottom, connecting it to the line. Now lowercase d. Make a small circle first, then draw a straight line from the top down, touching the circle. Let's write again with me. Draw a straight line down, start at the top and make a big curve to the bottom, connecting it to the line. Great! Now write lowercase d. Make a small circle first, then draw a straight line from the top down, touching the circle. Great! Now here is a fun tip. Big D looks like a door. And little d looks like a donut on a stick. Now let's learn 5 easy words that start with D. Let's start with dog. D for dog. Dog. D for duck. Duck. D for door. Door. D for drum. Drum. D for doll. Doll. Let's sing a fun rhyme for letter D. Are you ready? D is for dog who likes to play. D is for duck swimming away. D is for drum, go boom boom boom. D is for door that opens a room. D says D. Let's clap with glee. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, clap. Here is a short story about letter D. Danny and the dancing drum. Danny the duck found a drum by the river. He tapped it softly and the sound went dum dum dum. Soon Daisy the dog came running. That sounds fun, he said. Together they played the drum so loudly that Dora the doll came to dance. The 3 friends laughed, drummed and danced all day, making the forest full of joy. Now, activities time. Find three things around you that start with D. Now pretend to play a drum and dance while saying dum dum dum. Now craft time. Draw and color a big donut for the letter D. D snack time. Eat dates, donuts, or drink some dairy milk. Now let's know quick facts about D. What is the position of D in alphabet? Yes, fourth letter. It's a uppercase D. We also called it capital D. A line with one big curve. It's a lowercase d. We also called it small d. A circle with a line down. D makes the D sound like dog. We learned about D. Clap for D. Great! Thanks for watching. If you like, please like, subscribe and share. Bye-bye.